Okay, here we go. Going to start getting these lines put in. Here's the tractor over here, backhoe. We'll start digging the ditch. Going in reverse at the end of the line, all the way to the septic tank. Got a good start going. Got the transit level going up. After the hole's dug, or the trench is dug out, this pipe is put in, and he's installs it like little snap together blocks. Pretty interesting. So this is going to be about a foot below surface level. Pretty neat.
Yep, right in the middle of it. Where am I de-hooking?
You know, the bar is right.
Yeah, the bar, that's a rock. Still closer than we had it figured.
Here's Billy cleaning out the poop chute.
Right.
Right here, they have to dig out a little trench to drain all the backflow from the septic tank. And here is the new lines that's going in. Okay, here we go. We got the new lines put in. Septic tank coming out. This is just an extra piece of pipe right here. So this line's coming out, going this way. Here's the old line right there. So it's coming out this way, and I'll walk over there and get another viewpoint. Okay, here we go, coming on this viewpoint, coming this way. Now going into this tent-like structure. Now this is 135 feet long. Going through this way. Going up. Now they did run a transit line, make sure everything is going downhill. So everything should be good. The only issue that we had was somewhere up here. We cut the internet cable line, underground internet cable. So that's going to be fixed on Thursday. Not a huge deal, but anyway, 135 feet long pipe going up to the inspector. We're coming tomorrow. Back. We had the inspection and it passed with flying colors, no issues at all. So Joe's back filling up the trench, and he'll be done in about 45 minutes or so. Okay, here's the update on the septic tank project. Here's where the tank is right here. And here's where the line ran out. But here we go. Got this pile of dirt left over that I'm spreading out. Trying to cover some roots from this tree and the tree back there. Just spreading it out. Doing that with a big Massey Ferguson 240 tractor. I took the scraper, scraped up what I can on here. Of course, I still have a bunch of limbs and rocks in this part. There's the propane tank. Nice little birdhouse on this tree. So here we go, coming back this way. Here's the workshop. Here's the frame for the swing I'm going to buy here soon. Picnic table on the right. Septic tank came this way. And I started at the other end. But here at the big tree, I've got it raked out with a hand rake. Took out all the big rocks and the big sticks and limbs in here. Got some hay put down, wheat hay. I got some fescue seed put down, this section right here. Anyway, just showing you progress, and when I get back here, started over here. I'm going to probably work up towards the little workshop shed right there. That's going to be the next portion. Then the big area in the back. Now I have to do this in between my chemo sessions. So Wednesday, this is Thursday, so next Wednesday I'll have another session, so I'll be down on bed rest for 5 or 6 days. And when I get the time to come back, probably have time Monday, maybe a little bit Tuesday, to work on this again. But after that, I'm going to take a break and finish up this area. Okay, probably the last episode on this project. This is where that big dirt pile was. So my daughter's husband, boyfriend, whatever he is, he came over the tractor and scraped all this flat, spread it out for me when I was on bed rest. So we got all this scraped out. Let me fix my little monopod here. Here's a bucket I'm carrying around, picking up little rocks with as I see them. So here's the big tree. Put some bigger rocks right there at the trunk of the tree for now. It's been about a month since the last time I recorded. So we got a lot of grass coming up here. There we go. Coming down this way. I did put a lot of fescue seed down here. Here's where it comes down here by the swing. I guess you'd call that a the frame for the swing. Picnic table down here. Got to come back with a bunch of weed killer and kill all this. Coming back up through here. Here's the big tree. I don't know if you can spot it, but a lot of areas with grass is coming up. And just past this little section, a lot of grass coming up here. Here we go. Coming up through here. And this is the end of it. So, pretty happy with the progress. Wish the grass would come up faster though, of course, but it is what it is. Company did this, Dependable Plumbing. I'm not quite sure what city they're in, but I'm in Pickens County, Georgia. That's up in the up 75 to 575 area. Just past about 45 minutes north of Marietta. So, I'm going to call this project completed. Waiting for the rest of this grass to come up. And I do appreciate you watching. Oh, I forgot to add, right here in this little area, right there, it's a place where we're going to have little campfires this summer and fall. So once I get all this cleaned out, pull a grill over here. This little, it's like 4.5 inch block, right there, which is a marble curbing. I'm going to put under this side of this bench. You can see how it's leaning. Well, you might not be able to see, but it's leaning pretty bad. So we're going to put that block right there on the left side and even that out. This one's going to stay low. I thought that'd be a good space for have a little campfire. Appreciate you watching.